Laptop. Imagine someone comes into the kitchen with their laptop and starts snapping pictures with the laptop camera of the fridge. How would you react as an outsider? How would you freaking react? Not the Pepsi. God damn it. But we got the ketchup. And we got lots of drinks. Like, that's a lot of drinks and not very much food. Hungry man? What the hell? What the hell is a hungry man? What the frick? What the hell is hungry? What is this? Did you say what this is? What the hell is this? Welcome. I'm a hungry man. That's frozen dinners? That's kind of wild. My god, hungry man is a wild name for food. God damn it.